Video marketing sounds exciting to everyone who hasn't tried yet and wish to explore the same. That's how Netra felt too when she learned video marketing is gaining popularity now and felt supercharged to try it herself. Soon, her hunt began for the perfect route on how to make a marketing video, which led her to us, and that's when her journey started with learning the entire process. She learned the importance of making a video strategy that can help her plan the spending, opportunities, goal, time spent, and much more. Next up, she learned to make a budget based on the market research and how it would help her streamline the video requirements. Our guide then helped her with the next step, that is idea generation, and she realized to do it by identifying the problems for her audience, then thinking of innovative ways to put out the solution. She then discovered the required equipments of use like good quality camera, tripod, lights, microphones, system, and speakers. For producing quality-driven videos, once through with this, she learned the importance of location-centric shooting to align with her video needs and editing them with tools like Premiere Pro, Pinnacle Studio, Final Cut Pro, Adobe Premiere Elements, and Adobe After Effects. Netra then started her journey of making a marketing video in partnership with our expertise. If her story motivates you to explore video marketing, then get in touch with us to begin your journey now.